Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this homemade gender reveal piñata cake. It turned out so well and I hope you enjoy.
That is definitely a boy. Congratulations, you guys.
Wow.
Yay.
So we just found out we're having a boy.
Give it away right away.
Yeah.
Looks just like me.
Look how cute. You wore blue for the right reason then.
I was right.
No.
I
was right.
I guessed girl from the beginning, so.
Okay, so I wanted the most simple vegan white cake base, and I don't think I actually have a recipe that is for cake. I have a delicious white cupcake recipe, but I didn't want to try and figure out how to make 4 cake layers out of that. So I found one online and I will link it for you. It turned out amazing. Everybody kept saying how good it was. And it was the most simple ingredients like flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and then soy milk or non-dairy milk. I did soy milk, some oil, vanilla, and if I forgot anything, I'll put it below. I let the dogs lick the spoons after they licked it. Willa, face is all messy. Did you like it? Cake. Okay, I measured it out and I'm making a double batch, so I have my 2 cake pans. And I have 8 cups of batter. So that means 2 cups of batter per cake. I'm gonna be doing this twice. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 2 cups goes into this one. I had to use this pot because I ran out of measuring cups. And now these go in the oven. To make the frosting, I kind of just eyeballed this. I used some vegan butter, some powdered sugar, and I had run out of non-dairy milk, so I used some vanilla creamer. I just did a splash anyway, so it worked perfectly. And then I just mixed that up, and honestly, this is such simple icing, but it turned out so amazing, and everybody loved it. So I have my cake, frosting, cake stand, cookie cutter to cut out the center of 2 of the cakes. Some frosting on the cake stand to stick it to the stand. I feel like the broken part should go on the bottom. I might need to level it a little bit. Honestly, I'm kind of just winging this because I'm not like an actual, cake. I'm not like a trained baker, Like my mom took cake decorating classes before, and so when we were younger and would bake cakes, she would kind of give us the lowdown, but the sun's coming in a lot. So basically what I gather for the piñata cake, it's flat on the bottom and then the 2 with the hole in the middle, and that's where the candy goes, and then flat on the top. And then when they cut into it, they also obviously cut a piece out of the bottom, so then the candy will drop down and spill out, and that's kind of the point of the piñata cake. Try and level this one just a little bit as well. Try and do a better job than I did last time. I remember when I was making cake with my mom, all those times, getting to eat this part was we would fight over who got to eat that, and usually my dad would get it. So, taking my cookie cutter, I'm just gonna cut straight down and pull it out. Okay, that was so easy. Greg said I should make a little mini cake with the 2 middles, and I think I'm gonna do that. So now, put some here. Just take off a bit in the middle. Now, going to put this one like that. And then I'm gonna do it again with the second one. Second tomato. I know, it's so cute. I don't know if I should put it like this or like probably like that. Oh, son. This is such a like makeshift cake. It's so funny. I have a bag of mixed blue candy and I'm gonna fill the cake. Do you want to take a story of this at all? Yeah. In closing. Okay, so that is how I made my homemade, very simple gender reveal cake. It honestly was pretty easy, and I feel like you could pay like upwards of probably $50 for one of these if you get it from somewhere, whereas this one didn't cost very much at all. So, and it was fun to make. So everybody's coming in like half an hour and I'm so excited. So I hopefully will be able to like set up the camera and get footage of us cutting it so you can see if the piñata part works, because I'm not positive it's going to, but yeah, I'm so excited.
Oh, there's no crumbs coming up the top. We can't even fake it. Yeah.
She knows now.
It's a girl. It's
No!